It all morning long on Wake Up and all the changing computer models along with it.
New computer information, and now I'm trying to put some numbers on the situation, so we're going to get to that in a second. But, you know, everybody's sharing in the pain with this one. It's covering a lot of territory across the nation. Let's once again recap what's to be expected around here, at least over the next couple days. We're definitely on the storm watch. We have a weaker disturbance heading our way tonight and Tuesday. Light snow out of that. Then the deeper storm system will be arriving, getting into Tuesday night and Wednesday. There may be a mix. Now, one of our computers has suggested we might see a little bit of a mix to sleet and freezing rain, especially across northern PA, perhaps into the southern tier counties of western New York. It kind of looks to me unlikely that that is going to reach Buffalo or areas to the north. So areas that remain all snow, we're talking a foot to maybe a foot and a half, and higher drifts too because of strong wind gusts anticipated at least during the Wednesday morning time frame. Greatest chance of all snow will be in areas from Buffalo northward. Definitely a situation you want to stay updated on. Of course, meteorologist Don Paul will be in this evening with another update. He'll have new information to work with. I'll be with you again tomorrow morning on Wake Up. As we take a look at the satellite and radar picture this morning, this is the light snow that's heading our way tonight and for tomorrow. This is not going to amount to too much, and the wind speeds will be manageable, at least during that time period. It's the more intense system that we're really going to be watching for Tuesday night and Wednesday. So for this afternoon, the clouds moving into town, and eventually they will thicken getting into the evening hours tonight. We'll start to see some snow spread up from the southwest during the overnight period. This will be overspreading all of the region. By tomorrow morning, it's already up to the Lake Ontario shoreline, and I'd figure on maybe a couple inches of accumulation by morning down here along the PA line, anywhere from a dusting to maybe an inch in areas to the north of Buffalo. That snow will continue during the day tomorrow, becoming more intermittent and probably lightening up a little bit during the afternoon hours. Then as we get into tomorrow night, the snow will increase, and so will the wind speeds as well. Looking at about 15 to 30 mile per hour winds here, especially north of the city, and that will result in considerable blowing and drifting snow. When the snow becomes heavy, we may even hear some rumbles of thunder out of this. And as you can see on this computer model, it is trying to bring some of that mix into areas to the south of the city. Wouldn't totally rule that out. High temperature forecast this afternoon from the computer. About 16 will do it at the Falls, Tonawanda, Amherst, Clarence, down through Lancaster, about 17 at Medina, 16 at Warsaw. Readings actually maybe a tad milder along the PA line down here, about 20 degrees. Right now, 13 at Buffalo, Niagara Falls. Still pretty chilly down at Jamestown, though, at 12, and a wind chill of 3 above here in Buffalo. Sunset time coming up at 5:27 for this afternoon. Flurries ending near Lake Ontario. Sun giving way to clouds, 15 to 20 degrees. For tonight, light snow breaking out. A dusting to an inch up north, maybe a couple inches along the PA line, 12 to 15. Then tomorrow, snow is likely, around a couple inches of additional accumulation, more intermittent for the afternoon, 22 to 26. Snow could be heavy at times Wednesday, especially in time for the morning drive. Travel will become very difficult. Expect blowing and drifting snow, and maybe even a rumble of thunder, maybe a bit of a wintry mix to the south of the city, 27 to 32. That winds down to some scattered snow showers on Thursday. At least this is moving swiftly, and a high temp of 21.
Wow.